Having harmonious colours inside the vehicle is a key distinguishing feature when selecting a brand of car. The buyer expects a matching interior, and the decision to buy is frequently based on the belief that a high-quality finish inside reflects the quality of the car overall. Ensuring colour matching requires you to meet special quality standards. There are three areas in the automotive value chain where colour measuring technology is used. 1. At the OEM. 2. At Tier 1 system suppliers, which manufacture components like dashboards, seats and doors for the automotive industry. At Tier 2 suppliers, which provide goods like leather, textiles and vinyl that are then used by Tier 1 suppliers during the production process. Before Datacolor got involved in developing a new measuring device for the automotive industry, we first asked people in the industry what they needed and what they wanted to see improved. The response was these three must-have requirements. 1. Improved inter-instrument agreement, so standards can be communicated digitally in future. 2. Precise gloss measurement that is just as accurate as colour measurement, because gloss is becoming an increasingly important element of quality in interiors. And 3. The size and shape of the device, so it can be used accurately under the windscreen. The 45G CT has all three of these must-have requirements. The 45G CT fulfills various international norms and also meets the VDA 281, Association of German Car Manufacturers standard. This recommendation provides important information for optimum measurement of colour in the car interior, including the measurement of components with curved surfaces. We begin with the OEM. Everything starts with a precise capturing of the colour standard sample. This generally has several surfaces and is often an injection moulded part. Both for calibration and for the precise measurement of samples, Datacolor has developed a special mounting. We select an area with the right texture and measure the surface multiple times with the 45G CT, which averages the readings automatically. Car makers also use it to measure the interior during production. This is to check that the colour matching has been successful and the supplier has delivered to the right specification. Good ergonomics is very important, as well as well-functioning and easy-to-use onboard software. The collected data can be managed later in the included PC software, Datacolor Tools. Measuring components like seats, doors and dashboards is particularly challenging because they tend to have curved surfaces. The colour measurement of plastic surfaces in the car interior, VDA 281, requires the minimum radius of a curve to be at least 10 times the measuring opening on a colour measuring device. The 45G CT has an 11mm measuring opening, giving a minimum radius of 110mm. So what does the 45G CT come with? G stands for gloss, CT for close tolerance, which means inter-instrument agreement. Along with the device itself comes a specially designed mounting that the 45G can be placed in, which is important for accurate calibration. Another key component is for Datacolor Tools desktop software that evaluates for data from the device on a separate computer. There is also a USB stick that can be used for transmitting data via Bluetooth and to update the software. The advantages at a glance: lower costs, shorter development times, and significantly improved colour matching. Find out more and see what the 45G can do for you at industrial.datacolor.com.